In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce the digraphs, which is just a fancy way of saying after your child knows all of these single letter sounds, there's a bunch of other stuff they need to learn. So once they know that A says ah, we have times when there's 2 letters that come together to make one sound, 3 letters, yes, even 4 letters. We have times when the same letter combos make multiple different sounds depending on the word, and we need to know how to pronounce them in order to teach our kid. So I'm gonna break this down for you right now so you know how to teach this, and let's jump in. Shh. Ch. F. Er. 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 Or. Are. A. A. E. I. O. O. U. U. Ow. O. Oi. Oi. I. E. A. E. U. O. A. 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 U. A. And my least favorite sound, because it has so many different sounds, I'll give you 4 of them. U, like in through. O, like in dough. Uff, like in rough. And ah, like in thought. Remember, your job is not to teach all these sounds at once. It's to pick a couple and to teach those to your little one. For a full sequence, advice on how to teach these sounds, as well as fluency passages that go through, I have one for every one of these sounds. Check out my full reading books course. Link is in the description. Otherwise, if this video helped you and you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, I will talk to you soon.